Today I'm going to show you a way to diversify your farming and cut boredom leading into Legion. You will need to be a druid and have the toy One with Nature. This can be acquired from Moonglade. After teleporting with the toy, you are stuck in a natural place for 1 minute while the toy cools down. Use this time to your advantage and skin some beasts. Now count how many skins you can get and tally them after 10 teleports. See if you can beat your first tally and post your best 5 in the comments. You'll be pleasantly surprised at how much leather you have to sell in the auction house. The prices are pretty crazy at the moment. Alright guys, come back here in 20 minutes and let me know your best score. Good luck and happy farming!